Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Volkswagen Beetle out of cardboard. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need several large sheets of corrugated cardboard, a sharp utility knife, and a protective cutting mat. Don't forget a reliable hot glue gun with plenty of glue sticks, a flexible measuring tape, and a long straight edge for precise cuts. Having clear reference images of a classic Beetle will guide your design. Now, let's build the sturdy foundation for your cardboard Beetle. Begin by carefully cutting out the main floor pan and the two primary side panels, scaling them appropriately from your reference images. Next, craft several internal support ribs and crossbeams. These are crucial for the structure's strength. Use your hot glue gun to firmly attach all these chassis components, creating a robust and stable base for the rest of your build. With the chassis complete, it's time to give your Beetle its iconic shape. Carefully form the distinctive curved hood, the rounded roof, and the sloped rear engine cover using flexible cardboard pieces. Then, integrate essential details such as the prominent wheel arches, front and rear bumpers, and the window frames. For the finer touches, craft smaller elements like the circular headlights, rectangular taillights, and side mirrors, bringing your cardboard car to life. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to ensure your cardboard Volkswagen Beetle is both durable and visually appealing. Go back and reinforce all seams and potential stress points with extra hot glue or thin cardboard strips for added strength. Take time to smooth out any rough edges and fill in small gaps to achieve a more polished appearance. You might even consider painting your creation or adding decorative elements like hubcaps and door handles for extra realism.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.